Hi there, registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist Toby Smithson here with Diabetes Every Day. If you haven't pressed the red button on the YouTube channel to subscribe, please make sure to do so after viewing today's video. Well, you are in for another treat today as I share a recipe from fellow dietitian Lauren O'Connor. This recipe comes from her latest book titled Healthy Cooking for One Cookbook. I love the theme of this book because I know there are many people out there cooking for one or two, and these recipes are a perfect match. Today we're going to prepare ricotta mac and cheese with spinach and marinara. Here is what you will need. For the mac and cheese, 1 cup cooked macaroni elbows, 1/2 cup low sodium marinara sauce, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, divided, 1/4 teaspoon Tuscan seasoning or Italian seasoning, 1/4 cup non-fat ricotta, 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh basil or scallion greens, 2 cups baby spinach. For the light bechamel sauce, you will need 3/4 cup low-fat milk, 1 tablespoon whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan cheese, 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder, a pinch of sea salt, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is optional, and a pinch of red pepper flakes, which is optional as well. Okay, let's get cooking. In a medium skillet, combine the cooked macaroni, marinara, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and Italian seasoning on medium heat. Stir and cook for about 5 minutes until thoroughly warm. In the meantime, in a small bowl, combine the ricotta, basil, and remaining 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then add the ricotta mixture to the skillet in small dollops. Do not stir or mix. Next, add the spinach and cover the skillet and heat about 1 minute until the spinach begins to wilt. Remove pan from heat. Now we will make the bechamel sauce by heating the milk in a small saucepan on medium heat. Next, whisk in the flour, Parmesan, garlic powder, and salt, and whisk constantly until it boils for about 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the lemon juice. Okay, now divide the macaroni mixture into 2 serving bowls and pour an equal amount of bechamel sauce and sprinkle the red pepper flakes over the 2 servings. You can also place this recipe in a storage container with a sealable lid to heat and serve at a later date. This recipe can stay in the refrigerator for 4 days. This recipe makes 2 servings, and each serving contains 36 grams of carb, 3 grams of fiber, 16 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, 357 milligrams sodium, and 291 calories. I love that this dish can be served immediately or stored for later, so you can choose to have your meal pre-prepped. Again, thanks to Lauren for letting me share this recipe with you. Until next time, cheers to your health.